Welcome to 3D printing. The wonderful things that you can do with 3D printing is get your ideas into reality, get your concepts into production, be able to test almost immediately in a real-world environment the parts that you've designed on a computer. You can do all types of cute things. Ball within a ball within a ball, printed with no supports. Here's one, dyed black. Beautiful, clean. No scrape marks, no cutting. Here's something more complex. Very deep, four layer balls, no supports. Other than a little scrubbing and a quick dye, you have this. It does practical things too. Here's a nice little buckle. Printed in place. In other words, came out of the printer exactly as you see it. Other than the color, that's the item that came out. Intricacies, mechanical structure, mechanical integrity. Threads can be printed directly. But because this is a production-ready material, it actually can be machined to the thread that you would like, both bolt and nut.